So this is Bureå. This is as far as we can fly.
What's today's plan?
We are going to Bureå. So we are here. And we are going all the way there. So Bureå is everything we can afford right now.
That's because the gasoline prices are so high.
We got a message from one of our patrons that said that the annual inspection was not good.
Oh, let's take a look at that.
Oh, it's okay.
Ta-da! Approved by Transportstyrelsen.
It's May and the snow is almost gone. You can fly diamonds and you can fly other planes, but this old Piper is the most beautiful of them. And today we're going to try to get there up in the air.
But it's one very exciting thing about Bureå is that it's the approach for the planes, for SAS planes, run airplanes, the Piper. So if you live in Bureå or visit Bureå, you can just be there, lying on the beach, looking at the planes, taking photos. Ah, wonderful. I can extend the flaps. Flapsy flaps.
Wonderful.
Meanwhile, I'm doing my part. I'm helping. That's the best thing when you don't have a license. You don't need to do this kind of boring stuff. How's the oil?
It's very 6 gallons.
Nice.
Everything should fall.
It's a bit cloudy, but it doesn't matter. So I really hope the Piper will start up. I mean, she hasn't given us any problem for the last 25 flights.
She has been missing us, so I think she will start on the first try.
That looks good.
It does. Checklist complete. Jo, hej, jag skulle skicka in en färdplan för Ludvig Adamara. Strålande, ha det bra. Hej.
It's important to have a flight plan when we're doing these long flights. I'm gonna mount the cameras and we are going to have so much fun over here. Gubbstön us up to the plane and it's over there for now. What I learned through the years is that we don't connect the cables and start the cameras until the plane is on, otherwise we won't get any sound. It's actually a bit windy today. It's gonna be interesting to see Frederick's epic landings.
Boarding complete.
I don't even know that was so funny. Thumbnail.
Rich. Off. Ah, good. First try!
Sigurd Ludvig Adam Adam, Skellefteå Airport via Adam och backtrack. Vinden 25 grader, 8 knop. Tunnel G1010.
And there's the famous Skellefteå Tower.
Sigurd Adam Adam, höger ut, bana 28 klar, starta.
Hänger ut, bana 28, klar, starta. Hänger ut, Adam. Extreme machine. in the air. Oh, this feels
Like a crosswind.
yeah.
And there's almost no snow outside now.
So this is Bureå.
Yes.
This is as far as we can fly. So there is Bureå, and can you see the airport? It's over
There.
there.
So, BWRA. Airport. BWRA. Airport. BWRA Airport.
I've actually never flown above Bureå like this.
Nope. Very exciting.
Oh, look at that small river.
Oh yes. And BUREA, as it's called, it comes from BWRA, BWRA. BWRA.
What?
Yeah, and it's another name from the river Bureå, which is why BWRA has its name now.
I had no idea about that.
Yeah, me neither until I read it on Wikipedia. There are some epic windmills there.
Do they have any beach here?
Yeah, they have the Havsbad. Oh, we totally forgot that. And the best of all, when you're at the Havsbad, you can watch every SAS and Norwegian and Pipers and Ryanair's coming in.
So if you want to swim, look at the Swedish VFR. Oh, there.
Definitely. Oh my god, that was almost a 30-degree bank.
Oh, yeah.
Only brave pilots can do that. Crazy pilots.
Yeah.
If you go above 30 degrees, it will cause insanity.
Yeah, you go crazy.
Yep. This is the MARINA. Very exciting. You have small boats there in the summer. Now it's a little too much ice still left. Beautiful here. A nice little town.
Probably. Oh, look at the dock. In the dock. I mean, the rusty houses.
The rusty houses? Oh yeah. Oh. Very rusty. Very dangerous.
So if you like this episode, push that like button.
Oh, and subscribe.
And do not forget to push that
Belly button!
belly button. So I think with those prices, that's all we can afford to fly today.
Yeah.
Okay, so shall we go home?
We can go all the way home. I mean, let's fly all the way here to there.
Då är det 20 sekunder Adam, då kan vi gå tillbaka till landning.
Stiger ner i Glädjegatan Adam, klar inflygning bana 28.
Ja, det är inflygning, bana 28. Stiger Adam. So we thank you for coming on board this night for Swedish VFR to Bureå. We are now going back to Skellefteå. The weather conditions are good, and we estimate the flight from Bureå to Skellefteå to be 2 minutes.
Yeah. Especially with your tacking speed.
I haven't even got the flaps up.
Oh my god. I'm still gonna... Oh, okay, take some good pictures of Bureå here. Look at it. And this is the E4.
Stiger Adam, vinden 240 grader 9 knop, bana 28 klart använd.
Bana 28, klart, landa, signal on banan. 9 knots. Undo the shaky. You don't want the thing that happened in the Mentour flight when the seats broke.
Oh yeah. And the captain just, your controls.
Yeah. You learn a lot from his channel, Mentour Pilot.
Oh, you actually do.
Are you ready for a perfect landing?
Oh, of course, of course.
Oh, dusty. Oh, very gusty. This is very gusty.
Sidan Adam i luften 1620 på marken 1634. Taxa till klubben via Adam.
Taxar till klubben via Adam. Signal om Adam.
That was a
36.
perfect landing.
Kör ut via serviceväg 10.
Sorry. Nästa spåret, kan du repetera?
Nej, det var inte till er.
He said something while we said perfect landing. Yeah, it was a good landing. I would say it was perfect.
It's perfect landing.
So that was a good flight to Bureå. Very far away.
Very exciting. Very good stories, and I think we are deserved of some krysset food now.
After briefing!
After briefing, what an adventure!
All the way to Bureå. We've never been there before.
No. What else? You made a perfect landing in these gusty winds.
Oof, those gusty winds.
Very dangerous. We could have died. I feared for my life and but I knew that Frederick, he is an excellent pilot.
Without that good co-pilot, we would have died.
Oh yes. How about some krysset food?
Oh, krysset. Epic.
So that's it for tonight.
Let's go to krysset! Bye!